And I'm Georgia.
And this is Barn Stables.
Basically, in our videos, we're just going to tell you all about us and our horses.
Right, this is our high fibre mix, and it's like made of oats and everything. It keeps the horse nice and energetic and alert. Right, this is chaff. It's basically just dried grass. It's really nutritious and it keeps weight on throughout the winter.
Obviously, you see hay like all around all year basically. And the guys up here get one heavy hay net in the morning and one heavy hay net at night. And then they get them at lunch and stuff out of the field.
Okay, this is a supplement we have that we give to Vogue, our horse. Basically, it's really good for jumping like horses and ponies because it keeps them like nice flexible joints. So we use this because we like to keep them happy and healthy.
Basically, here at Barn Stables, we try and keep our horses 100% healthy. So it's good for them to have supplements now and then. This is Hamish's supplement. Basically, it keeps his joints all healthy for quite old. That's really good for him. Right guys, we have to go to our barn now. This is basically where we have loads and loads of fun in the summer. We come in here and eat our lunch and just have like a chat. Yeah, it's pretty cool.